In today's video, we're going to check out 15 WordPress conferences for designers, developers, and other professionals. First up, an event apart. They host 3-day conferences in different cities around the country. Intended for front-end developers and web designers, sessions go into digital design, content, code, and UX. The next two events are December 2019 in San Francisco and April 2020 in Seattle. In addition, there are dates in Boston, Minneapolis, Orlando, and San Francisco for 2020. Prices start at $600. .js and .css. Their next event is in December 2019 in Paris, France, a 2-day JavaScript conference that welcomes approximately 1,400 attendees. On the first day, speakers cover front-end development topics like browsers and UI frameworks. On the second day, there are sessions about back-end development and JavaScript as a language. Their smaller sister conference, .css, takes place first. Prices start at €349 for .js and €99 for .css. International PHP Conference. This conference is 5 days total, and 2 entire days are devoted to workshops. There are 70 keynotes and sessions, and nearly 400 PHP developers and experts are in attendance. More than 60 speakers cover the latest PHP features, test automation, new tools, web architecture, and web security. Prices start at €446. The JavaScript for WordPress Conference. This conference has 3 days of talks and workshops focused on JavaScript and how it relates to WordPress. Most importantly, there are 4 tracks for varying levels: beginner, intermediate, advanced, and non-technical. This conference is free. PHP World. This 2-day conference is for developers who work in WordPress as well as Drupal and such. Prices start at $495, and if you can't attend the conference in person, the entire main conference will be available online for $195. Post Status Publish Online Edition. This online conference streams live over 2 days in the summer, and members can view it at any point afterwards. This is for anyone involved in WordPress. Topics may be broader than others on this list, but they're always geared towards WordPress professionals. Prices start at $79 for an annual membership. PressNomMix. Hosted by Pagely, PressNomMix is the conference for those that power the WordPress economy. During this 3-day event, entrepreneurs come together to collaborate, learn, and relax. There are 2 days of sessions, and the third day includes golf and cultural outings for connecting with peers. Any and all business topics are on the table, always geared toward the WordPress community. Also, money raised at the event goes to community, educational, and health charities. Prices start at $425. React Amsterdam, April 17th, 2020. This event has a training day with advanced workshops and more than 25 speakers. The main conference takes place over 1 day, and there are workshops, meetups, and mini conferences throughout the entire week. Around 1,500 people attend this conference, and most of them are front-end and full-stack engineers from around the world. Prices start at €380. ReactCon. Aside from the first day, which is just a registration and welcome reception, this conference is 2 days long, filled with talks and panels. Kick off each day with early morning yoga, then listen to keynotes and attend sessions. There are off-hour activities too, like a hackathon, karaoke, lawn and board games, and a poolside dinner party. Prices start at $400. React Europe, May 12th to 15th, 2020 in Paris, France. According to their website, it is historically the place where many new industry standards in the React community are revealed to the world. Overall, it focuses on looking ahead to advances in the React ecosystem. There are all sorts of workshops on topics like React.js, React Native, SSR, and TypeScript. Prices start at $399. Web Unleashed. This is intended for front-end developers, but coders, designers, managers, strategists, and enthusiasts also join. There are several tracks to choose from, and professionals at any stage in their career will get something out of this conference. Over the course of 2 days, there are coding sessions, panels, presentations, and roundtables. Prices start at $399. WordSesh. This is a live virtual conference for WordPress developers. By choosing the hallway track, you can take advantage of the built-in chat for networking. You can still watch September 2019's sessions online too. Watch next year's conference in real time and consider joining a viewing party. Locations are listed on their website. Prices are $15 per month for membership. WP Campus. They host conferences for web professionals, educators, and anybody who uses WordPress for a higher education goal. According to their website, their goal is to provide a wealth of knowledge for anyone who's interested in using WordPress and allow people to share and learn about WordPress in the world of higher education. Prices start at $150. And finally, WP Campus Virtual Conference. If you need information about higher education and WordPress development, you can attend this virtual version. These sessions and others are still available to view online. The virtual conference is separate from the main event we just talked about, but you can effectively attend both. Test the waters with the free event to see if you want to attend the in-person conference, which occurs later in the year. And there you go. Let us know if there are any conferences you think we should check out. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.